Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video by SimpliCode. Today, we will be discussing the top 10 reasons to learn Python in 2022. But before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe to the SimpliCode channel to never miss an update. We have Avijit who will be leading this session. So, let's begin.
The first reason we have is Python is versatile. Python is a totally versatile language as it has been used widely in artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, web development, embedded systems, graphic design applications, data mining, gaming, and others. Python is used as an easier and more effectively written alternative to languages that perform similar functionalities like R and Java. Now talking about the second reason why you should learn Python in 2022, we have Python is the fastest growing programming language. Python programming has become one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world and is the primary language for many applications. Its popularity has grown both in India as well as in the US. In January 2021, Python was in the third position in the TOP index. In January 2022, which is this year, Python has become number 1 in the TOP index of popular programming languages. The ratings are based on the number of skilled engineers worldwide, courses, and third-party vendors. Popular search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, Wikipedia, Amazon, YouTube, and Baidu are used to calculate the ratings. Coming to our third reason, that is Python is beginner friendly. The main reason why Python is an excellent choice for beginners is its simplicity. Python supports English syntax and is designed to be concise and easy to read, all of which make it more accessible to first-time coders. It is an interpreted programming language. This means that you can run each line of code once you have finished writing it, allowing you to immediately check it and make adjustments if needed. The fourth reason we have is Python libraries and frameworks. Python provides numerous libraries and frameworks that cater to every need of the user and its clients. It has NumPy and Pandas for numerical computation and data manipulation, SciPy for scientific computation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, scikit-learn for machine learning, StatsModel for statistical analysis, and much more. Python also supports frameworks such as Flask and Django for web applications. You can also do cross-platform and cross-browser testing with frameworks like PyTest and Robot. Now moving ahead, the fifth reason we have is Python for data visualization. Python is a great programming language for data analysis and data visualization, so it supports libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bouquet, and Plotly for creating interesting visualizations. You can make sense of complex datasets and visualize your findings through various representation options like bar graph, pie charts, graphical plots, geographical maps, and much more. Now moving ahead, the sixth reason we have is extensive online documentation. Python has been adapted to the latest advancements with developers continuously releasing new and improved versions. Python language is very organized and its libraries have coexisting documentation, letting you jumpstart straight into programming. You will also find example codes where you can see the functions implemented, so reading the documentation is a good way to improve your knowledge about Python. Moving on to the seventh reason why you should learn Python in 2022, we have Python is great for scripting. Python is also used to write scripts to do automated tasks such as backups and cleanup in servers. In Python, you don't have to compile the code in order to interpret it. You can directly write code in the script and execute it. The machine reads, interprets, and runs the required tests and also performs error checking. Now coming to the eighth reason, we have Python for cybersecurity. Python has been dominating the cybersecurity industry and has been around for a long time now. It can help to automate tasks across the cyber attack lifecycle for both cyber attackers and defenders. You can develop custom Python scripts to automate cybersecurity tasks with libraries such as Nmap, Yara, Skippy, and Twisted. Python is used heavily in malware analysis, host discovery, sending and decoding of packets, accessing servers, and network scanning. Now moving on to our ninth reason, we have Python community support. You always need a community to learn new technology, and friends are your best asset when it comes to learning a programming language. The Python programming language has a global community with millions of software developers who interact online and offline in thousands of virtual and physical locations. In case of any coding related issues, you can always seek help from the Python community. As shown on the screen, Python has a robust and supportive online community with over 1.5 million GitHub repository. Communities such as Stack Overflow also bring several Python experts together to help newbies. Now moving on to the 10th reason in our list, we have Python jobs in high demand. As Python is getting more popular, along with an increase in an active community and its functions, the demand for Python professionals is also increasing. Python jobs are increasingly growing in every business sector and provide high salaries. Python developers is one of the highest paid jobs in the United States. The average salary of a Python developer in the US is over $96,000. So those were our top 10 reasons to learn Python in 2022. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.